Now once you have the belt around the AC pulley and just at the top of the crank pulley, it should look something like this. Another day and another fix. Today we're going to be working on this 2013 Chevy Silverado. We're going to be replacing the AC belt, so let's do it. The AC belt is behind the serpentine belt. Therefore, we need to remove the serpentine belt first. Let's begin by locating the belt tensioner. Here, as you can see, this is how your serpentine belt runs. And this pulley right here is your belt tensioner. We are going to be using a 15mm to lose the tension and remove that belt. Now with the serpentine belt out, let's go ahead and locate the AC belt. And as you can see, it is right behind the serpentine belt on the crank pulley. This one right here from the crank pulley to the AC compressor is the belt that we are going to be replacing today. Let's go ahead and cut it. Anyway, we don't need it anymore. Now, when placing the new AC belt, we will go around the crank pulley and place the belt all the way to the back. So that way we can first go over the AC and then over the crankshaft. This would be the easiest way of doing it. Now once you have the belt around the AC pulley and just at the top of the crank pulley, it should look something like this. The crank pulley has a 24mm bolt. We are going to use it to rotate the pulley and get the belt into the right place. While turning the crank pulley, pay attention to the belt at the bottom of the AC pulley because it could become loose or it can be mounted incorrectly. After we got it installed, go ahead and double check and make sure the belt is in the right position, straight in the pulley, in the crank pulley, and in the AC pulley. Double check this. It's crucial that you make sure the belt is straight in the middle of the pulley. Now at this point, we basically have to revert the whole process. Now we're gonna put the serpentine belt back in place. The back of the belt goes under the flat pulleys. The part of the belt, the inside that has some groove, will go only on the pulleys that have those grooves. This is an easy way to keep track on how you are installing your serpentine belt in the right position. Here, get another look on how the belt should be mounted. And just like that, we had replaced the AC belt and the serpentine belt as well.